much so. You often think, especially working on objects from World War II, you think, well, I may be the only person who's ever, you know, touched that since that was built. So in a way, you're opening a time capsule, aren't you? You are. But your work here at Duxford covers the entire range of the Imperial Museum's collection, doesn't it? Not just aircraft.
Yes.
No, we cover tanks, guns, vehicles, anything. And what's the latest arrival then? Well, you'd like to come and see this, James.
Duktig.
After you. Well, what have we got here then? This is a Husky from Afghan 2012. And what happened to it? Well, unfortunately, it hit an IED and completely destroyed the front of the vehicle. And do we know what happened to the crew? The crew was safe. So it did its job. And I presume this is something you are simply going to conserve and keep it as it is. Very much so.
Det här var inte lätt, du.
In conservation, this shows what war was all about. It tells the story, doesn't it? It certainly does.
Yes.
Fortunately, aviation enthusiasts like Rob, with the dedication and mechanical labor, are passionately safeguarding these machines along with their legacy as a captivating and poignant reminder for future generations.
Vad mer?
Well, guys, successful house tour.
Yes.
Our final property has its work cut out, but it's the mystery house, so...
Yes, bra! Vad duktig du var där. Slut. Jättefint. Bra där. Bra. Okej. Yes.
Programmet presenteras av...
Yes. 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 Oj, vilken kille. Wow. Yes. Yes, där, ja, bra. Yes. Yes. Bra kille. Yes. Wow, vad bra du var. Vad bra du var. Wow, 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 wow. Oj, kom du där? Kom du där? Oj, kom du där? Bra, 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 bra. Okej. Jättefint. Vänta. Mycket fint. Vänta, varsågod. Okej. Vänta. Mycket fint. Vänta. Åh, vad du var duktig nu.
Keep going. Keep going. Slowly.
Yes. Okej.
It was my favorite.
Yes.
Your handbag?
180 graders panoramattack. Innan jag åker på slutet.
Yes. Det var svårt. Yes. Oj, vad duktig du var. Wow, 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 wow. Det var fint. Det var fint. Det var fint. Det var fint. Bra, 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 bra. Slut. Jättefint slut. Duktig du var.